Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a new AWS account from scratch. Okay, so I am in Microsoft Edge and I'm going to go to search bar and type AWS console. If I type AWS console, I will see all the results of AWS console here. Let's click. Then click on the sign into AWS console. Then it will send me to the sign in or sign up. Both are on same page. Then rather than sign in, I am going to create a new account. Then I am going to give my email address, which is info@topwptips.com. Then I am going to give a password here. I repeat the password. Account name. Then continue. Okay, that's clear. Let me save here. Okay, then I click on personal. Then I give a phone number here. I choose a country. This is my country. Address. Then city, state, postal code. Click on the checkbox and then create an account. Okay, here I'm going to give my credit card information, so I just pause here. Okay, I have provided my credit card. Then I'm going to give my phone number here. Then I'm going to give the security checks. Let's see. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, this is a clear one. 8XNEEN. Let's see. Okay. I choose a good character that's clear. Okay, this seems to be clear. DEBN38. Okay, then I will receive a code. Just a moment. Okay, I got the code. The code is 1463. Verify the code. Continue. Then I choose a free plan. Sign into console. then I go to Singapore. This is my nearest region, and actually that's it. I have created the account. So you need to wait around 3 or 4 weeks whether they verify all those your informations that you have provided, and then your account is activated. So you need to wait for 3 or 4 hours, and then after that you can just create EC2 instance, S3 bucket, and all those things. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will create quickly new videos on AWS, DevOps, and all other things. So I hope you will like that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.